A piece of equipment which could take the sting out of visiting the dentist has arrived in the northwest. The new injection system could be the answer for all those with a fear of needles. Victoria Rouse has been to find out more.
The needle syringe was invented 140 years ago, and ever since, dentists have held a reign of terror over their patients. But for needle phobics, developments at the sharp end of technology could be just the prescription needed for a pain-free checkup. Salford dentist Jeremy Cooper has decided to stop giving his patients the needle to take away the fear factor of visiting his surgery.
There is a good proportion who do have a needle phobia, and there's a much larger number of people who just don't like injections, and if there was an alternative, they certainly would prefer it.
The new system works by shooting a stream of anaesthetic through the gum under high pressure without using a needle.
I hate needles. I hate the sensation of a needle going in my gum. I hate needles anywhere. I'm just scared of them. It's a different sensation. I felt a thud, but it was nothing compared to a needle going in my gum, so I much prefer that than the needle.
Although the system will never replace all needles, it might just give new meaning when the dentist says, "Now this won't hurt a bit."
Now, I have particular empathy with this story because I'm off to the dentist today, and for most of us, the words dentist and the thought of going there just means pain, doesn't it? Well, Jackie Kabler is at one surgery where patients are going without fear of the dreaded injections. Tell us more, Jackie.
This is the dreaded injection. It's a horrific looking thing, isn't it? And this is what dentists have been using for years to give you that injection to numb the gum before they do the work. But all that is in the process of changing, and certainly it's changed at this surgery. This is Dr. Jeremy here. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now tell us about this new thing, because it's a needle-free injection, which sounds impossible, but this is it.
Yeah.
Explain it to me briefly.
It's the Injex system supplied by Henry Schein, and basically it's a needle-free injection system which allows the liquid to pass through the gum without a needle by pressure.
Air pressure, so it's just like shooting it out. And it's incredible that it actually provides enough pressure to get into your gum and numb it, but it does. Yeah,
it does, and it uses a lot less anaesthetic than conventional needle injection system, and the patients are completely numb for the procedure, but it wears off quicker.
Much quicker, so you don't have that horrible chipmunk face effect afterwards.
Yeah, you get a lot less of that.
All right, now our very brave patient is going to try this out for us live on GMTV this morning. It's Christine here. Are you all right, Christine?
Yeah, thank you.
You're fine, you're feeling all right. You last had a filling about 30 years ago on the front there, and it really hurt. So,
yes, it did.
So you're quite looking forward to this?
I am, yes.
All right. Before you do it, I just have to tell you, Eamon, he's a good dentist. He's a Manchester United fan. All around the surgery, we've got Manchester United memorabilia, so we've got lots of confidence in him.
You'd be in heaven there.
As a GMTV dentist. Right, we're going to do this now. We're going to do it live. And up here we've got a little camera, and we're going to be able to show you on the screen up here in a minute exactly how this works. All right, are we all ready? Christine, you're okay?
Uh-huh.
Here we go, let's do it.
1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Wow, and that was it. That's the injection. How was that, Christine, for you?
It was just a slight thud.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
No pain?
None at all, no.
That's amazing. That's really... And you've done this on about 100 patients so far in your practice?
At least, yes.
And how have they all felt about it?
Yeah, it's been generally a very well accepted technique, and it's made a great difference to my practice of dentistry.
Wow, I bet it has. Great difference to people like Christine.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to carry on now. We're going to actually do the filling now. And you can come back to us in about 10 minutes' time, and we'll see how Christine's doing and see if she actually feels any of the filling. So we'll carry on. See you later.
Oh, I'm not...
Remember, this is dentistry. Listen to that drill.
Oh, that's the bit I hate. It's the sound, isn't
Dentistry without needles, okay? So it's a different way of anaesthetising you, and more about that right after this.
Friday morning now, a little earlier, we met the dentist who claims to be able to offer pain-free injections. Fantastic thought. Let's go straight back to Salford and Jackie Kabler to see how the patient's doing. Oh dear, that looks nasty, Jackie.
Yeah, the drilling is just going on at the moment. Just about 10 minutes ago, Christine here became the first person to have a live dentistry experience on GMTV. She had this radical new needle-free injection, which takes away all the horror and the pain of these old traditional great big things. And it's a simple little thing like this, which basically shoots the anaesthetic into the gum just using air pressure. It's quite incredible. Now, should we just stop for a minute? Christine, you started having your filling now. Any pain at all?
Nothing. I can't feel anything. It's wonderful.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So you didn't feel the injection. You jumped slightly, didn't you? Because there was a little, but it was just a little
thud. That's all, yes.
The pressure of the air
against your gum, but no pain?
No, it's wonderful, yes.
Great. And so you haven't felt anything he's done since with the drilling or anything?
No, no, not felt a thing.
That's fantastic. She's looking very happy considering she's at the dentist.
Jeremy, obviously a great success this morning, and you're convinced that this is the way forward, aren't you, really?
Yes, I think many instances where Injex is a great system for numbing your patients and making it, let's say, an experience that isn't going to be too traumatic to them, as opposed to the needles, which do have all those connotations, as we talked
Christine
earlier.
seems to be coping very, very well. Thank you very much for showing it
My
to us this
pleasure.
morning. Thank you so much for being so brave as to come and do this on television. I certainly wouldn't do it. Possibly the way forward, a new system, no needles, just a simple little squirty thing like this. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Back to you.
Does,
Lovely,
Jackie?
Lovely, Jackie. Never thought we'd enjoy a visit to the dentist so much, Jackie.
It's great when it's a long way away.
Yeah,
You're just talking to somebody over the airwaves.
I never thought I'd be standing here so close to somebody being drilled, but she's perfectly happy, so it's great.
Yeah,
Yes.
she's smiling.
Doctor, yes, lovely. Dr. Jeremy Cooper there, guaranteed not to give you the needle, which is more than the weather might do, because as I go home today, the weekend to Ireland,
Oh, yeah.
it's guaranteed to